How to fix cumulative layout shift in Shopify. Cumulative layout shift is a key metric in Google's core web vitals that measures unexpected layout shifts during page load. A high CLS can negatively impact user experience and SEO rankings. Here are some things that you can do to reduce your CLS on your Shopify store. Define image and video dimensions. Ensure all image and video tags have explicit width and height attributes. This allows browsers to allocate the correct amount of space during loading, preventing layout shifts. In Shopify's liquid templates, you can use the image tag helper to automatically include these dimensions. For more control, consider using the aspect ratio CSS property to maintain consistent image proportions. Reserve space for dynamic content. Dynamic elements like announcement bars, promotional banners, or third-party widgets can cause layout shifts if they load without reserved space. To mitigate this, allocate fixed height or use placeholder elements for dynamic content. Allow injecting content above existing elements unless triggered by user interaction. This approach ensures that the layout remains stable as new content loads. Optimize fonts and animations. Use the font display swap property in your CSS to ensure text remains visible during web font loading, reducing layout shifts. Prefer transform and opacity for animations instead of properties that trigger layout changes like width or height. Utilize diagnostic tools. Employ tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or Web Page Test to identify and address CLS issues. Enter your store's URL into the tool, analyze the CLS score, and review highlighted problem areas. Implement recommended fixes based on the diagnostics. These tools provide visual insights into elements causing layout shifts, aiding in targeted optimizations. Review themes and apps. Ensure your theme is up to date. Some themes like Shopify's Dawn are optimized for better CLS performance. Also, third-party apps can introduce elements that affect CLS. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.